So I recently saw a video that a person claimed that you can get paid for walking, and he listed all these different apps, and it made me think, well, that's something interesting that I want to research, and it's a perfect example to ask ChatGPT. So this is the first in various videos that I'm going to create videos to show you how to use ChatGPT and how to ask ChatGPT and how to benefit. And it will save you tons of time instead of searching on the internet and looking up each app separately. And before I begin, if you find this video helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So I've prepared a prompt and I'm going to paste it in, but first I want to start a new chat in ChatGPT. Now you can sign up for ChatGPT just by going to chatgpt.com and sign up for a free account. I have the 4.0 version, and it's totally up to you if you eventually want to upgrade. It was recommended to me that I try the 4.0, and supposedly it's smarter and it can give you better information. So I've been experimenting with the 4.0 version of ChatGPT. So without further ado, I'm logged in and I want to click here where it says New Chat. And you can also use ChatGPT on your mobile device. Right now, I'm just going to be using it on my desktop. So I've prepared a question, which I pasted in. So I want to ask ChatGPT specifically, can you really get paid for walking by using apps like Cashwalk Labs, Evidation, Sweatco.in, and so forth? How legitimate are these sites? And how much walking do you have to do to earn money or rewards? And I want to end it with a question mark. And I want to actually tell ChatGPT to organize it a certain way. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, please list each app with pros and cons, and also include details if there is any cost, security and privacy, things to know, and do you earn cash or gift cards, and any other important information to know, including cautions and if the app is recommended. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. By the way, there's a search the web and there's also this deep research. Now, this is the first time I saw deep research. It says 10 available until April 5th. Get detailed insights on any topic. So let's try that. Let's do a deep research on this topic. And by the way, there's some additional tools available. For instance, it now integrates with DALL-E if you're trying to generate images. Let's go ahead and try the deep research. Okay, so this particular version, again, you could try it on the free version. I'm giving you this example so you could see the difference in this version of ChatGPT with the deep research. So it's saying it will research the legitimacy, pros and cons, earnings potential, privacy, etc. But first, it wants to clarify a couple things. Wants to know, am I interested in only these apps, or would I like it to include other popular walking reward apps? Are you specifically looking for apps that pay cash or gift cards or other rewards acceptable? Okay, so I'm going to let ChatGPT know that I'm open to learning about other walking apps. As far as the rewards, for rewards, I am interested in knowing which allow you to earn cash versus gift cards and other rewards. Let's see what happens. Okay, and it is starting the research. Now, typically with the common search, it usually takes just a few moments and starts providing feedback. This is the first time I'm trying deep research, and I'm going to time it and see how long it takes to provide feedback. Okay, so using the deep research took a little longer. So I would recommend if you do the deep research, just start with something a little bit less involved. Let's see what results it came up with. By scrolling down, here you go. It has a walking reward apps legit or not and what you can earn. And it has a summary at the top about staying active and earning small rewards through various get paid to walk apps and list a variety of apps. And then it breaks it down by app, starting with Cashwalk, and provides information on the legitimacy and trustworthiness, earning mechanism, rewards and redemption. Let's check to see what it came up with that. Coins can be redeemed for gift cards at popular retailers. There's no direct cash payout, but gift cards are essential to reward. In practice, it currently takes around 5,000 coins for a $5 gift card, according to one review. Even if you hit the 100 coin daily cap, that's about 50 days of walking. So as you can see, just what I thought, it does take a tremendous amount of walking to earn $5. Cost and fees, if it's free or not, privacy and security, very important to consider. The app is considered safe, no known malware, etc. And it also breaks down pros and cons and cautions. Like, for instance, Cashwalk's coin rewards can be changed by the developer, something to consider. There's no guarantee the current rates will persist. Recommendation, Cashwalk is legit, but only worth using if you're okay with tiny rewards for your normal daily steps. Yes. And then it moves on to the second app, again, breaking it down and giving us the detail, pros, cons, etc., and on for each app. So overall, this is definitely worth the deep research if it's available to you, but let's try the same type of prompt with just a regular search. So I'm going to just type in the same prompt that I started with and just click search this time and see what happens. Now this time it's going to search the web, and as you can see, almost immediately it provides feedback. And it does provide a summary. Several apps offer rewards for walking and other physical activities. These platforms track your steps and in some cases other metrics. However, it's important to understand that while these apps provide incentives, the earnings are generally modest and should be viewed as a supplementary benefit rather than a significant income source. Exactly what we were thinking, right? It also gives us legitimacy and user experiences, breaks it down by app, but a little less detailed than the deep research. Activity levels are also listed, additional considerations, and then it has a recommended video if we wanted to learn more through the video. So overall, this was an example of a question that I was researching and how not only can ChatGPT help, but now there's a couple different options, especially if you're using 4.0 ChatGPT, but also available is the free version of ChatGPT. So if you found this helpful, whether you found the information about the walking apps and earning rewards helpful, or whether you found the ChatGPT example helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.